Do you want to remove Gmail account from your phone? Watch this video till the end, because removing Gmail from phone is a risky task. Otherwise, you will lose your data. So, watch every step carefully in this video. Let's get started. To remove a Gmail account, first, open the Gmail app on your phone and click the profile icon on the right side of the top of the screen. From here, go to the Manage Accounts on this device. Now, tap on the Google section. Here, you will see all Gmail accounts that you sign in on your device. Tap on the Gmail account which you want to remove. Click the More section at the end of the screen. Then, tap on the Remove Account text. Here, this is a warning. It says that if you remove this account, we'll delete all messages, contacts, and other data from your phone. Note, not from the Gmail account, only from the phone. If you are okay with that, then click the Remove Account button. After a few seconds, you will see the account removed from here. Now, if you want to create a new Gmail account without phone number, watch this video so that you can do it easily. Thanks for watching.